Good morning, dear students. Let's study about the topic birds in science today. Today, we will study about the chapter birds in detail. As you all know, there are many birds: parrot, crow, eagle, hen. And they use their beak as they do not have teeth to eat food. So, today we will study about firstly the body parts of a bird. Today we will study about body parts of a bird. As you can see in the picture also, birds have different body parts. They have two eyes, two wings, a beak, two legs and a tail. The body of a bird is covered with feathers. Let us study about them one by one. Now we will study about bird's beak. As you all know, birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks to catch and eat food. Different birds have different kinds of beaks depending on the food they eat. So let's study about different kinds of beak. In the picture you can see the first kind of beak is that the birds like sparrow, pigeon and peacock have short, hard and strong beaks to crush seeds and grain they eat. Water birds like duck and goose have broad and flat beaks with tiny holes on either side to filter out excess water. Sunbird and hummingbird have long and pointed beaks to suck nectar from flower. So they have long pointed beaks. Birds such as eagle, vulture and hawk have strong, sharp and hooked beaks to tear the flesh off they eat. So they have strong and hooked beaks. As you can see in the picture, woodpecker has strong, pointed and chisel-like beak to make holes in tree trunk and pull out insects. Now we will study about different kinds of birds' feather. Body feathers, they helps to give shape to the bird's body. Down feathers are small, soft and fluffy feathers that keep the bird warm. Flight feathers are long and help a bird to fly. Flight feathers are present on tail and wings. Now let's study about how birds fly. As we all know, birds fly with the help of wings and they flap their wings both in the upward and downward directions, and these strokes are called as upstroke and downstroke respectively. Now let's study about feet and claws. As we all know, most of the birds have 2 feet with 4 clawed toes, as claws help them in balancing, walking, swimming and wading in water and catching the prey. Perching birds like pigeons, sparrows and crows have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back, as you can see in the picture also. Flesh-eating birds such as eagle, vulture, owl have very sharp and curved claws called talons. Scratching birds. As scratching birds like hen use their claws to scratch and dig the ground to find worms. Climbing birds. Climbing birds such as woodpeckers and parrots use their toes to climb trees. They have even 2 toes on the front and 2 toes at the back. Wading birds like herons and cranes have long legs with spread out toes. Swimming birds or you can call as water birds such as ducks and swans have webbed feet which help them for swimming. Now let's study about how birds build their nest. As they used to lay eggs in their nest, and with the help of dry leaves, straw, hay, grass and twigs, they used to make their nest. Different birds make their nest in different ways. So we will study about different birds, how they are making their nest in different ways today. Weaver birds are known to build the best nests. They use grass and dry leaves to make their nest. The nest has a tunnel like entrance, and the weaver bird also takes care that the nest does not fall down easily. Tailor bird. Tailor bird builds its nest with leaves, and it uses its sharp beak as a needle to stitch the leaves, and it makes use of straw, wool and cotton to stitch the leaves. Woodpecker bird makes its nest in the hollow of a tree. Vultures build their nest on large trees, and they uses few sticks together to make their nest. Next, penguins, as you all know, they cannot fly. They build their nests on the ground. Penguins use pebbles to make their nest, as you can see in the picture also. Most birds build their nest on trees. For example, pigeon and sparrow make their nest in our homes. Crow, parrot and others make their nest on trees. Cuckoo and quails never make their nest. They lay their eggs in the nest of other birds. They lay their eggs in the nest of other birds, for example, jungle crow or raven. Now let's study about caring of young ones. Like other creatures, birds also take care of their young ones. As when they lay eggs, mother bird plays a vital role who sits on the egg most of the time till the young birds come out cracking the eggs, and take care till the time when the baby birds get feathers and are strong enough. They leave the nest and fly in search of food. Thank you. Have a nice day.